Hello guys, it's Papa. So welcome back to Papa's channel. Today we are cleaning our driveway, dirty driveway, and you can see it's pretty dirty as a whole. And we are using this Karcher K2. It's a home pressure washer. You guys can buy this online. It works pretty well. As you can see, we've already started a bit. This part we cleaned it up, and this part we have to do some cleaning. So this is like a before and after kind of. So you can see the before, how dirty this is, all the brown dust, and this is like stuck, it's not coming out. You cannot just remove it with footwear. You need proper pressure washing. So yeah, I'll continue with the pressure washing and I'll update you.